Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm sorry if I have
Alhamdulillah
mistake in
wassalatu
this video.
wassalamu ala Rasulillah amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This question can make a video demo about my UI UX. But the first I would like to make for UI videos first. Yeah. I will explain to you my UI, my project went in Surgeon class ya. UX class, okay. Okay, just show it to you and I will explain. Here's the first is there is lock screen. I make it lock screen like phone. Yeah, you know phone is there is lock screen ya. Oh yeah, before that, here's there is boot logo or what boot logo ya. Then after this one finish, directly go to lock screen. Same like phone. When shut down and we turn on, will be boot logo, and then will be go to lock screen. Then and then the second there is the first home page. This one there is the icon, search button, there's my profile, there's profile, log, and icon again. I make it UI. The UI is like iPhone because I like iPhone. And then this one the homepage of search search. If we click on search, the UI will be moved to here, this pages. In here there is icon. The icon I make it for can scrolling down. And then here there is Ajian. And then the icons profile, way of profile. I just make it simple. Just introduce myself about me, introduce about me. Okay. And then we just go to the app UI. First there is doa. Nah, doa, the first page I make it like this one. This one I got it from where? From my brother. And then I make it simple the first page. Text here doa, and then there is I make it there is get started button. So when we click this one, we move to okay. And then I make it here because before I add this one is very there's space. It's very lot space. Like this one like this. So I add this one the icon so I can move to the apps. When we click get started, will be chance the UI will be go to the so I just make it simple because I have no idea to make a book. Yeah, there is doa tidur before sleep, after sleep, before eat, and but I just make it free. Then the UI of doa before sleep, I make it like this There is text doa and doa before sleep. Then this one exactly in UX I make it. UX is when I click this one directly move to the video YouTube of doa sleep and in here I make it there is doa Arab Bismillahirrahmanirrahim Bismillah, and then there is the Latin and there is the meaning this one. This one is the thumbnail video of YouTube. This one also there is a link video of YouTube. And then if and then I make it a back button here. So when this one get click, directly go to the page before ya. Then after sleep, yeah, same like before ya. There is the button doa after sleep. Nah, there is the Arab ya. Alhamdulillahilladzi ahyana ba'da ma matana wa la yusyur. There's the Arab Latin, and then there is the meaning and also same ya. If I click this one can move to YouTube, and then if I click this one can move to YouTube also. And here doa before eat. Okay, doa before sleep, doa before eat, yeah, same like before. I make it. There is Arab video, Arab teks ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana ya. There's Arab Latin. Okay. There's the meaning and yes. Then there is Quran app. Quran app ya. I make it the UI same like before ya. The first page is this text ya. And then this one like before. Okay. And then the UI of Quran app like this ya. I make it this last read. I choose Al-Fatihah. Then there is surah, juz and page. And this one I make it there is juz 1 until juz 10 if not wrong.
I put some of my pages.
Yes, until juz 10 I make it.
Blur effects.
This one can be scroll. And then this one when we click juz ya, and then UI of search kan surah. When we click surah, UI will be moved to here. Here there is Al-Fatihah, Al-Baqarah, Al-Imran, Al-Fatihah until whatever. Yeah, when 10 or 9 surah. And when we click Al-Fatihah, the UI will be changed to Al-Fatihah, surah Al-Fatihah ya. And there is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Fatihah. One can scroll. Make it. Make it the UI is like Quran app in phone ya, because yeah I look or I get reference from phone ya. BlueStack, I use BlueStack, and then back there is back button also. Oh yeah, before that I will give you information. This one nih, the line of black line here, that's for move to first pages. This one ya. So if we example open Quran app, and we want to back to first page ya, we just click this one and then same ya, Al-Baqarah same and Al-Imran same. In here I just make it 3 surah because my teacher say the minimum is 3 surah is okay. Then make it too lot because time is can not enough. Okay, and then this one there is Salat app. The UI of all UI app I make it same ya. There is a masjid picture, and then there is get started. Then when you click get started, nah this one UI of Salat, the first yes. There is I make it there is time, right blood and azan ya. And this one is the YouTube, TikTok ya. I make it the UI with I make it this UI. I get reference from my friend. Okay. And then when I click this one, the UI will be changed to waktu ya. Beda nah at least when we click waktu. And then ya Okay, now and then if we this one I make it there is jadwal sholat ya. Rere. Betul. Dari subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, and isya, and then there's before. Here I make it asar is 14 past 47, 17 minutes left. Then when I click this one, the I will change to this one, and then if we click arah kiblat, do you will change to like this. There is compass and then there is icon also. In apps there's icon icons. I put here because there is a lot space. Here. Just say I busy. Okay. Then this one azan. Azan here when I click azan the UI will change to like this Dual salat. This one the lengkap one There is tanggal, there is date and subuh, terbit, zuhur, asar, maghrib, isya. This one there is I make it by one. Okay. And then we click this one, UI will change to it. Okay. Next, here there is kisah app kisah app. Like I say before, the opening of the apps is same all. Now this one kisah app. Ini dari kisah Nabi Adam, kisah Nabi Idris, Nabi Nuh, kisah Nabi Soleh ya. Okay. When the UI, this one Nabi Adam I click, the UI will change to Nabi Adam alaihissalam of Adam. Now in the UI, I make it the UI is there is kisah and Prophet Adam alaihissalam. This one when you click can go into YouTube video about Prophet Adam alaihissalam. Here I make it there is kisah. Then the conclusion kisah Nabi Adam. And then I make search button, but I don't know so satu lah. The first time yes mention, but the times okay. Then like usually I make it button this one. Okay. Then when we click this one, we change to here. Then it's a story of Prophet Idris alaihissalam like this, same like before There is a kisah and conclusion. Okay, when we next go to the
it cannot be detect.
action. Continue to next app, guys. Fasting app. Here, I make it UI is there is pengaplian on fasting, teman fasting ini fasting bisa dijawab. But I only make the UI pengaplian pertama finish. Okay. The UI of Muslim fasting is I make it like this one. I give text what is fasting sih. Nah, make here and then here's I make it use tanda tanya and I symmetric and I flatten make it in here and then
the file. Nah, filenya itu thumbnail.
Okay, and then this one I give explanation.
Dan the second one kan ada UI peletakan.
Bahasanya secara bahasanya the explanation of what is fasting.
Mockup. Kan tadi gimana?
Then here I add icon of apps.
Okay, clear.
Then same the UI of utama sholat sholat fasting is same like before ya. There is the utamanya and then like before. And then there is the explanation also. Then there is jenis puasa this one the UI. We make it the simple ya. Next app is amal app.
Look at my comment.
Here I just make it 3 ya because it is amal harian, ibadah and sosial. Here UI of amal harian I make like this. There is a checklist. One if I already do dan silang if I not yet do. Okay. Then amal ibadah also same. I make it like this all.
YouTube buka oke, but prototype-nya I klik.
Yes.
Can
So you can get scroll. Okay, same. Some harian like this, ibadah this one and sosial.
Saya
And then kajian app.
Buket Rafid
This one.
buka.
Uh,
Saya Buket Rafid.
Ayos. Thumbnail is Ayos kajian dari Ustadz Adi Hidayat ya.
Get it back your laptop to server room.
I make it the UI of kajian the first page is like this, so we can scroll. So, this one I choose Ustadz Hidayat when in Bandung.
Kami upload itu. Editing.
Kita Bandung.
Today is the last.
When I
You can check.
Click.
Saya
this one,
cek Rafid. Mockup.
I click this one nih. The UL chance to do kajian Ustadz Adi Hidayat.
Will you have this one again?
Now this one is the explanation about this kajian. Yeah. CNN.
Maliki and again Maliki ya.
And then
You are
same
in
ya.
wrong place.
And then also same.
You put more.
When I click this one,
You are go to
you will be chance to kajian this one.
Delete.
Here's the fonts I make it different because for make it good. Then next apps is there is donasi app, donate app. Now here's I just make it simple. When I click this one for that this is the UI of donasi app ya. And there is donasi panti asuhan, panti jompo, masjid ya. I make it the UI of donasi donation like this. Sound like for transfer. The UI I make like this, but
Ready?
I modify it so when in the UX this one, in the UI this one, and then I click this 700 lah. The nominal will be like this. So I make it to UI ya. There is nominal and there is not. There is the nominal and there is no nominal. Then yeah this one ya the UI of donation of the net app. Yeah. The donate same ya the UI. Just the ticket and you can see this one. Nah, and then there is metode pembayaran. Okay, but in the UX I make it when I click 700 and then click GoPay, the UI will be changed to here. Then so yeah, I make it the security function. Then next is there is tabungan ya. Apps. When click the icon of tabungan app, directly move to this UI. Yes, there is the tabungan. There is the saldo, and there is the story. Here I make it there is isi ulang, riwayat, and penyaluran. And there is Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Monday to Friday. This one for like to say album. Okay, then when I click this one, I click this ulang at UI. UI will be like this ya. I make it this one. I know the friends from Google. There's the nominal ya. I make it the UI is for UI for Islam ya. Cause in UX for make it can fill ya the nominal. There is one and 1 million. So in UX when I click this one and 0 ya, will be 1 million. So this one. Then there is back button, and here there is riwayat, the story ya, story of hubungan. This I make it 24 minus 1 million, then this one plus 2 million 900 and then there is penyaluran.
Oh, orang ya?
And like before this one, when
Yes, sir.
it is UI, when this one, yeah, that I have said before. When I click 700 set and I click good pay, will be change the UI from there to here. And then if the isi ulang saldo is enter, UI will be changed to here. After I will set the UI UX, the prototype. That is the UI, my UI video.
The title
Demo,
sensor, UI.
Okay. That's all from me. Later I will make it the UX video. Or
If the UI
video
design ini kan ya
demo.
UI, and if the UI
That's
prototype
all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.